closer to the holidays, man, I'm getting excited and recipes are dropping. But anyway, here go one. So anyway, we gonna break open this croissant roll. Yeah, we gonna bust open this croissant roll. We gonna just start laying them out. Man, just start laying them out. Do you a straight line, you know. I know some of them gonna break, you know what I'm saying? Some of them gonna be a little fragile, but we gonna get it done. But anyway, we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna put this cream cheese. We're just gonna follow up and line it in with this cream cheese all the way down, you know. Get that cream cheese all the way down, and then we're gonna follow up with some jam. Yep, jam. I use the jam, man. But anyway, we're gonna wrap them up. Wrap it up like a mummy, you know, wrap it up like it's cold outside, real good, you know what I'm saying? And then we just started bending it like in the shape of a candy cane. And bruh, look at that right there. That's what I'm talking about. That thing came together crazy, man. Trust me, this will bless your family. But if you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Sweet potato honey bun cake. This right here transcended me. As you can see, one bite literally took me to another place. Anyway, we're going to get this sweet potato done up. I'm going to boil it and mash it. Then I'm basically making a regular cake. I'm going to do about 2 cups of oil. I'm going to do 4 eggs. And there you go. Just like that. And a little cup of water, and I'm mixing just like regular yellow cake mix. Then I put in that mashed up sweet potato with a little bit of food coloring, and it into the pan it goes. A little bit of that cinnamon over the top, and I poured a little bit of top again. Now we're just making the glaze over the top bit, which is extremely easy. Just powdered sugar reduced with some vanilla, and look at that right there. One bite of this cake, it was enough. Y'all, man, I got you guys a brand new holiday appetizer. You already know this one was real good. I had to take a bite of it one time. Anyway, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna cut down my smoked bacon, man. Really make sure that thing's diced right. I'm gonna also slice up this basil. I got like sourdough bread, and we just ended up, you know, assembling it, putting that smoked bacon on, following up with that basil. You know what I'm saying? Definitely was a good hit, you know, lets all the flavors hit. But anyway, I'm gonna do a balsamic glaze over the top of it, you know, and then when the friends come over and the family and everybody visiting and doing all that, man, everybody got snacks, because that is pretty much it. And it is bomb, man. It is really bomb. It was really, really good. But anyway, check it out. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. Man, what y'all know about a smoked butterball boneless turkey? This right here goes crazy, especially when it comes to catering times and this time of year. You already know. Let's get into it. Now, first, I'm putting my rub, my signature rub. I'm not ready to get that out here yet, but I put it on the smoker for about 3 hours. You already know what it is. I had a bunch of other stuff I was smoking, a big catering I had going on, but this was dinner for sure. So I pulled that off, got my netting out the way, because that netting is a punk. But anyway, sliced it up real nice. You see the smoke ring. Had to put my butter on there, drop my little bit of honey, and a little bit of them cranberries, man, because my wife likes it when it looks fancy. But anyway, man, that's what I'm talking about. That's what we looking for right there. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. All right. What y'all know about this crumble cookies hack, bro? I had to try it out, and it was everything it was supposed to be. So, bro, we put out these cookies just like we put out cookies. We cook them normal. Then we put these Hershey's on top, make it look all pretty. Then we put our little marshmallows on top, and we making a sandwich, basically like a Big Mac cookie, Big Mac, man. And you cook it, and that's all it was. That's all it was. Crumble Cookie made $1 billion. This is all they was doing, man. Hey, I gave y'all the game. If you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Right here is a turkey Wellington. Yes, it's really a thing. Man, y'all got to check it out. Perfect for the holidays. Anyway, we're going to start off with our turkey breast. Gonna spray down this pan. I'm going to use my Myron Mixon's Rub-A-Dub Cluck. Get that thing in there. I use my garlic, onion, parmesan, of course. But then I ended up cooking it in there for maybe 40 minutes at 350 degrees. And you just wrap this croissant roll, yes, the kind you get out the tube, wrap it all around it, put it in for about 17 more minutes, and look at that right there. That's what I'm talking about. I sliced it, diced it, and of course I had to put this butter on it. You know, can't get too much of that butter. My wife made it look all pretty, and anyway, the kids loved it. Holiday specials, check it out. You know, it's one of those quick meals everybody can enjoy.